Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull the safety catch release and open the bonnet. Release the support prop and clip it into the hole in the inner wing. Depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug from each of the ignition coils. Undo the retaining bolt and pull each coil upwards from the spark plugs. Note their positions. The coils should be refitted to their original locations. Using a spark plug socket and extension, unscrew and remove each spark plug. Remove any debris from the spark plug recesses. A vacuum cleaner is ideal for this. Check the gap between the electrodes on the new spark plugs. The correct gap is 0.9 mm. Bend open, or close, the outer electrode until the gap is correct. It is often very difficult to insert spark plugs into their holes without cross-threading them. To avoid this possibility, fit a short length of rubber hose over the end of the spark plug. The flexible hose acts as a universal joint to help align the plug with the plug hole. Should the plug begin to cross-thread, the hose will slip on the spark plug, preventing thread damage to the aluminium cylinder head. Fit each plug, then tighten them to the specified torque. Refit the ignition coils to their original locations, then tighten the retaining bolts securely. Reconnect the wiring plug to each coil, ensuring the clip engages. Stow the safety prop, firmly close the bonnet, and check it's secure.